Hi, this is Charlie from Path of the Bee. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the divided bottom board for my double nuke box. Let's get started. Okay, so the material that we're going to use is the same as a standard bottom board. The bottom pieces here and the rails, that's all assembled the same as normal. The additional pieces that we'll need are 3/4 by 3/4 by 19 7/8, and then 3/4 by 3/4 by 7 inches long. We'll need 2 of these. Okay, so we're going to assemble these components in the same manner as we do our standard bottom board. Okay, so now that we've got this put together, we're going to go ahead and set up our other material. Okay, so this is the design that we're going to use, and we're going to fasten these down. This is 1/16 from this outside in. That way, that gives us alternating entrances for our double nuke. So this side of the nuke this is going to be their entrance. This side of the nuke will be the entrance over here. So this is going to be the back of the box, and that's going to be the back of the box for that side. Again, so I use drywall nails. They have a pretty soft head on them that is really easy to set into the wood down so it doesn't stand up proud. So they're in flush or slightly below. Inch and 1/16, inch and 1/16. Okay, so there you have it, a divided bottom board. Okay, so don't forget that when you're building these, that it does matter which side of this divider that your spacer goes on. You need to be consistent, so I always leave the right side of my divider board open. Okay, well that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.